dog on a bone. I'm a dog on a bone. Whatever I put my focus on, it will get better. I'm a dog on a bone. I'm a dog on a bone. Whatever I put my focus on, it will get better, better.
Well, I checked that last little segment, and I don't know what I did to my camera to make it go in fast motion, but you know what? You got to see it done really quick. Maybe you would like it all to be that way. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to finish up. I've done a lot since we were here last. And I'm going to finish up my little black and white royal squares that have gone through quite the name change over the past videos. But it's now finally, it's the royal squares. And if you haven't seen the video that explains all of that, I think it's, I'm not sure, is it the guitar video? One of them talks a little bit our family genealogy, why it's all about royalty. Haha. So these are my little royal squares that go all the way around this stool, and this is how I paint them. One more and voila, I'm done with this part. This little bar stool is going to go in my kitchen, and the top of this stool is an exact replica of chargers that I made for my dining room table. Now, I'm done with the black and white, except for embellishing. I'll do that later. But I want to show you these big stripes that I do around the edge. And I've already done a lot of them. I chose 3 colors. There's a red and a green and a blue. And the 3 colors, there ended up being 30 stripes because I did a stripe for each inch of where I have my 1/2 inch roller squares. That makes up about 1 inch. So I did, and it's actually a little over 1 inch. But if you divide that into 3, I mean, it's 10, so the 3 colors go around 10 times, alternating back and forth and back and forth. So right here, I need to do, what do I need to do? The dark red. And then I'll just keep going around and do the reds until I finish them. Then I'll come back and do the other color. So this is the red. And then once I get these painted, I have some embellishing to do, and I'm going to come back in between each color. Alright, the red goes before the green. It's red, blue, green, red, blue, green, red, blue, green, all the way around. And it happens to happen 10 times because there's 30 of the stripes, 3 colors, and that makes it perfect. Alright, let's see. Red before the green. Red before the green. Okay. And one last red. Now, you couldn't barely see me doing that, but see, now I'm almost done. I just need to do a couple of blues, and then we're finished. So I need to wash my brush off a little bit and dry it off a little bit, and then I will do the blue. Okay, here's the blue, And I have what? See my Lazy Susan? How easy it makes this. Okay, now. Can you tell I love color? I love color so much, and I do a lot of it on what I paint. Okay, now I'm done with all these stripes except for a little embellishing, and I'm going to add a pop of the yellow, a little stripe in between each color to kind of give them a little division and to add some yellow around the edge. And then there's a little tiny edge right here that I'm going to do a really it's a really beautiful dark blue greeny color, and I'm going to put that around there, and that kind of divides the stripes from the stately stripes from the royal squares that are next to the dashing diamonds. Anyway, and then I'm going to do some dignified dots in between all of this, and I'm probably going to use this color blue. So it's going to be very colorful and very whimsical. And then I have to do the legs and the spindles, which is going to be quite a job. And I will film a little bit of each part so you don't get too bored. I just heard another acorn fall on my roof. As, who was it that said the sky is falling? The sky is falling. It's not really falling. Okay, that's it for the moment. And I will do some more work and come back. Okay, I'll show you. I did some embellishing around the edges. I put the yellow and the black and the green and the white just all around, just in different spots to add some color. And now I was going to show you, I'm going to do some dignified dots on the top. I'll do a few and then I'll finish later. Just go around with a pencil eraser and it makes the most perfect little dots. Just add some more interest to and more color. I love color. And I'll just keep going with that until I get them all done. And then I was going to show you just for a minute how I'm going to do the black and the white. I'm going to do a little bit of embellishing with that if my paint's still not. Alright, I'll just go from here out, and here in, and here out, and here in. And I just keep going around like that, all the way around. And I've got to do some white paint to embellish on the black part. You can see how that's going to be. And I think I'm going to use, because that is an off-white, I'm going to use the white to embellish the black part. I kind of flipped it around this time. Usually I have really white, and I use the putty to embellish the black, but I'm going to try this and see what it looks like. Yes, I like that a lot. So I'll keep going like that all the way around, and when we come back, that top will be almost finished, and I've still got to do this rim, and I'm looking at two colors right now that I'm going to put around that rim. Okie dokie. Alright, that's that. Okay, I have finished all the embellishing on the black and the white royal squares. I have done all the dignity dots in the turquoise color, and now I'm coming around. You'll see it's coming around towards you now. It'll be there in a second. I'm doing the this beautiful blue. It's honestly the color of my fingernails around this little rim. It's a little rim. Can't leave anything unpainted. I'm coming around. I'm going an inch at a time to do this. This is a really pretty color. I love it. It's kind of, I like to mix something different other than the same blue that I put on the stripes. Just to add some interest, contrast. I don't know what you call it, but I like it. Can you see that coming around now? Right on that little rim where it was white, now it's this beautiful blue. It's a Anita's all-purpose acrylic, and I think it's called Ocean Blue. Ocean Blue. So now I know what color my nails are. They're ocean blue. I'm trying out different color blues for my grandson's wedding. In a few weeks, he's getting married. September 22nd. It's going to be here. I'll be gone. So you see how that's coming around? Just wanted to show you what I'm doing right now. And then I've got to start gridding all the legs. It's going to be a lot of work, of which I will not bore you with, but I will show you little bits at a time, like I'm doing now. And it's going to take quite a while for this stool. It's just a lot of work, but it's worth it in the end. So there you go. You can see the new rim there. All right. See you later.